This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. Today I will discuss about a high quality and top ranked prop firm which been going serious trust in the prop firm industry, which is BlueGuardian. If you are a prop trader, you may already know what is BlueGuardian and how quality prop firm it is. Also I will discuss about the maximum discount offer and its trading model, features and trading rules as well. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel and like this video. Please help me to grow this channel. Let's back to the main topic. Here you can see the BlueGuardian instant funding prop firm scale to 4 million. Trade up to 4 million, keep 90% of the profit, get paid instantly. Here you can see on the top scroll bar, the March offer is going on. 45% off for 5k to 50k challenge and 35% off from 100k to 400k accounts. And also 200% refund. That means if you purchase a 100k challenge account by $200, once you pass, get funded and request your payout, you will get $400 of your purchasing fees. That means double amount of your purchasing fees. So let's check their evaluation models and trading objects as well. Click on the evaluations and here you can see they have instant funding, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, crypto as well. So let's check the instant funding. If you click on the instant, here you will get two types of instant funding models. One is standard, another is starter. This is the twist. The starter 5k instant funding account you will get only for $10, which is insane and impossible offer in the prop firm industry. No other prop firm can give you this kind of offer. And if you are new to BlueGuardian, you will get flat 50% discount at any challenges with the code of FIRST. So what you will get by $10 in instant funding is starter model. You will get a 5k instant funding account, trading period indefinite, maximum daily loss 3%, maximum overall loss 5%, profit target none, account leverage 1:30, payout instant payout, profit split 90%. The fees is only $10. If you want to know more about this instant starter funding model, you may browse their FAQ section and then click on the rules, then click on instant and click on starter. Then check yourself. All the rules regulation are clearly written here. No hidden rules. That is the criteria of a good prop firm. Let's back to the other funding models and you can see another instant funding model which is standard. 5k for only 59. You are getting 300 of maximum loss by just paying $59 only. So let's check their trading objects. Account 5k, trading period unlimited, maximum daily loss 3%, maximum loss 5%, profit target none, leverage is 1:30, payout instant payout, profit is split up to 90%. The refundable price is $59. Means once you reach your payouts, they will refund your purchasing fees. If you are a good trader, this opportunity is free for you. You can check rest up to 400k and let's check the step 1. Here is two types of step 1 model, standard and pro. So let's check standard 5k. Step 1, trading period is unlimited, maximum daily loss 4%, maximum loss 6%, profit target 10% for step 1. Once you trigger the 10% on step 1, you will get funded directly. Leverage is 1:100 on challenge stage, 1:50 on funded stage. Payout is up to weekly. Profit split up to 90%. The refundable price is only $49. As for 45% off offer is going on. I will attach all the discount code and the link in my video description. If you are interested, please check out my video description. Use the maximum discount code which I attached in my video description. You can check rest up to 200k. What is in pro model? In step 1, let's check 5k. Trading period unlimited, same. Maximum daily loss 3%. Step 1 and funded stage are same and mentionable. Daily drawdown is trailing, but maximum loss is static. What is trailing drawdown and static drawdown? You will get all the answers in their FAQ section. If I discuss everything, the video will be very long. So let's forward. Maximum static loss 6%, profit target 10%. Once you hit the 10% profit target, you will get funded directly. Account leverage 1:20 and payout up to weekly. Profit is split up to 90%. Refundable fee $47 only. And next one is 2-step. Let's check 5k. Standard, trading period unlimited, profit target for stage 1, maximum daily loss 4%, maximum overall loss 8%, Profit target for stage 1 8% and stage 2 is 4%, which is less than other prop firm. Where is other prop firm offering 5% profit target on the stage 2 and BlueGuardian is offering 4%, which is insane actually. Account leverage 1:50. Payout up to weekly, profit split 90% and the refundable fee is only $26 after the 45% discount. What is in the pro model? 5K, trading period is unlimited and everything are same, but the maximum drawdown is better than standard model. Here is 10%. Standard model was 8%. Also the profit target is 10% on stage 1, where the standard model was 8%. Here is 2% plus, but on the stage 2 are same. Account leverage 1:50, payout up to weekly, profit split up to 90%, refundable fee only $19, almost half, which is 45% off. I will attach the discount code and link in my video description. Please check it out. Also here you can see the step 3 model, trading period unlimited, maximum daily loss 4%, maximum loss 8%, profit target 6% stage 1, 6% stage 2, 6% stage 3. Then you will get funded. Account leverage 1:100 on challenge stage and 1:50 is funded stage. Payout up to weekly, profit split 90% and the refundable price is only $16 and you can check rest. Let's check the crypto model, which is very special. Crypto trading model is step 1 challenge. That means once you complete the step 1 challenge, you will get funded directly. So maximum daily loss is 3% on both phase. Maximum loss is 6% on both phase. Profit target is 10% on challenge phase. Once you hit the 10% profit target, you will get funded directly. Account leverage 1:4 on both phase. Payout is up to weekly. Profit split is up to 90%. Refundable fee is $38. Whereas other crypto prop firm is charging $50 to $80 for 5K account. But the BlueGuardian is charging you only $38, which is insane offer. If you want to know more about their trading objects and trading rules, go to their FAQ section, click on rules and click on your desired trading models. You will get all the terms and conditions, trading objects, rules and every question answer you will get here regarding this prop firm and trading models. So March offer is going on up to 45% off and 200% refund. This is for limited time. If you want to grab this offer from this kind of high quality prop firm who never rejects any payouts of any traders for any silly reasons, so hurry up, grab it now. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.